Machine Learning ML and Artificial Intelligence AI, a comprehensive guide. Introduction to Machine Learning and AI. Welcome to this in-depth session on machine learning and artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore everything about ML and AI, from their fundamentals to advanced concepts. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you understand these transformative technologies comprehensively. What is artificial intelligence AI? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities. AI encompasses a broad spectrum of technologies, including machine learning ML, natural language processing NLP, computer vision, and robotics. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without explicit programming. It allows systems to improve their performance over time as they are exposed to more data. Why are AI and ML important? Automation reduces human effort and enhances productivity. Improved decision-making. AI-driven analytics power better business strategies. Enhanced personalization. AI customizes experiences in entertainment, e-commerce, and social media. Predictive analysis helps in forecasting market trends, health risks, and customer behaviors. Revolutionizing industries. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming every sector. Types of machine learning and AI. 1. Supervised learning ML subset. Supervised learning involves training models on labeled data, where each input has a corresponding output. Examples: spam detection in emails, house price prediction, sentiment analysis. Popular algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees. Random forest. Support vector machines SVM, neural networks. 2. Unsupervised learning ML subset. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. The model learns to recognize patterns without predefined labels. Examples: customer segmentation, anomaly detection, image clustering. Popular algorithms: K-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis PCA, autoencoders. 3. Reinforcement learning ML/AI subset. Reinforcement learning involves an agent that learns through rewards and penalties by interacting with an environment. Examples: game-playing AI, AlphaGo, chess AI, self-driving cars, robotics and automation. Key components: agent, the learner; environment, the world it interacts with; actions, decisions the agent can make; rewards, feedback for good or bad decisions. 4. Deep learning AI-ML intersection. Deep learning is a subset of ML that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers deep networks to analyze complex patterns. Applications: image and speech recognition, NLP and chatbots, medical image diagnosis. AI technologies beyond machine learning. 1. Natural language processing NLP. AI-driven language models, such as GPT and BERT. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Automated translation and text summarization. 2. Computer vision. Facial recognition systems. Autonomous vehicles object detection. Healthcare applications in X-ray and MRI analysis. 3. Robotics and automation. AI-powered robots for manufacturing. Humanoid robots for customer service. Autonomous drones for surveillance. 4. Expert systems. AI-based diagnostic systems in healthcare. Financial market prediction models. 5. AI in cybersecurity. Threat detection and fraud prevention. AI-powered intrusion detection systems. Automated security response systems. AI and ML in the real world. 1. Healthcare. AI-based disease diagnosis, drug discovery and personalized medicine. Virtual health assistants. 2. Finance. Fraud detection with AI algorithms. Robo-advisors for stock market trading. Automated risk assessment. 3. E-commerce and marketing. AI-driven recommendation systems. Customer behavior prediction. Automated content generation. 4. Autonomous vehicles. AI-driven self-driving technology. Smart traffic management systems. 5. Smart homes and IoT. AI-powered voice assistants. Energy optimization in smart devices. Predictive maintenance in home appliances. 6. Social media and content creation. AI-generated art and music. Automated video editing. AI-based content moderation. Challenges in AI and ML. Data quality. Poor datasets lead to unreliable models. Bias and ethics. AI systems must be fair and unbiased. Security risks. AI can be exploited for cyber threats. High computational costs. Deep learning requires expensive resources. Interpretability issues. Understanding AI decisions can be difficult. The future of AI and ML. 1. AI-powered personal assistants. AI that understands human emotions. More advanced and personalized virtual assistants. 2. Quantum computing and AI. Faster AI training using quantum processors. More powerful data analysis capabilities. 3. AI-generated content. AI-driven news and blog writing. AI-created movies and animations. 4. AI in space exploration. AI-powered rovers and space probes. Automated planetary mapping and analysis. 5. AI in human augmentation. AI-enhanced prosthetics. Brain-computer interfaces. How to get started with AI and ML. 1. Learn Python AI libraries. Python Basics NumPy, Pandas, MATPLOTLIB, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. 2. Work on hands-on projects. Predictive modeling projects. Chatbot development. AI-driven automation scripts. 3. Participate in AI challenges. Kaggle and hackathons. AI research and development competitions. 4. Stay updated with AI trends. Follow AI research papers. Attend AI conferences NeurIPS, CVPR, ICML. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are reshaping the world. From healthcare and finance to entertainment and space exploration, AI is making its mark in every domain. By understanding the core principles of ML and AI, we can leverage these technologies to create groundbreaking innovations. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.